Well, another episode. This episode, we're going to show you how to put together the toe arms for the rear IRS. As you can see, I got one together here, and then we'll actually install it into the car so you get an idea what's going on. So, might as well just keep rolling here. So you can see I got all the parts here. This basically is the adjuster that goes into here like so, and ties into this rod end on the other side. And then you have some bolts and some spacers, and it's all pretty straightforward. These spacers need to go here and here. And I forget which one goes where. I'll have to look at the manual for that. Can't remember off the top of my head. Actually, it might be another spacer. So, oh yeah, so I think we got one for each side. Oh hell, we forgot to put the jam nut on there. Bad me. You got left-hand, right-handed threads, and this one already came on there, so that was kind of weird. I guess they must buy them that way. Hopefully you can see all this. So this will go into the other arm like this. This bolt goes through into here. And these two bolts, I said, they'll go through like this. And I'll go climb underneath the car and I'll show you how this whole system works. As I said, I just need to figure out which spacer, because one of these spacers goes to the front, one goes to the back. And I'm going to have to look at the manual for that because I don't remember off the top of my head. And then this nut here will go on there. And somewhere I'm missing a jam nut. I got two jam nuts here. Interesting. Huh. Okay, well, I'm not sure about those jam nuts, so I might want to look at that too. So, because I'm not sure on that one. Said, and this one's going to go here. Huh. Because I got jam nut here, jam nut there. I don't know where. I got jam nuts on both of these. I'm a little confused. Okay, well, let me go to the manual and I'll be back with you. Okay, so it looks like the thicker spacer goes to the front, where this goes up into the frame, and then we use this bolt here. So let's go, we'll go get this thing bolted on up. So this toe arm is going to go up into here, like so. Go up into here with the bigger spacer in front, the smaller one in the rear. So what we're going to do is we'll feed the smaller spacer through first. Then we'll pick up the rod end. And then we'll feed this one up next. The nice thing with these, I think I just lost it. Yep, I lost it. The nice thing with these, there's no grease, which I kind of enjoy because I get tired of messing with the grease. So let's try this one more time. This onto here. There we go. Okay, and then this will come up into the knuckle. So, and then this gets torqued up into here at 100 feet-pounds. So we'll actually put that nut on now. There we go. Okay, we'll torque that down. But you see how easy that is. So maybe I'll combine this video with my lower control arm. We'll see how long it is. But hopefully you got to see that.